Hello and welcome to Streamin' Tech. Now I have a quick video today and wanted to warn you of this app store and why you should stay away from it. That's coming up next. So the name of the App Store is called AC Market. Now many have heard of it and some probably are still using it. The store is one I used to use. It's quite popular and essentially is, or well, it was a nice alternative to the Google Play Store for its large variety of apps to include games and tools and ebooks. I had to remove it from my file link store a few months back, and I'll show you why in just a second. But I started seeing it pop up again in other stores. There were recently a few Reddit threads on this, so I wanted to share my thoughts. At the end of the day, you're going to do what you want, but I certainly wanted to convey my warnings about this app, especially since this store is known for its modified apps, and pretty much anyone can upload their modded apps to the store. So there's definitely a lack of quality control measures, and there's just no guarantee that the apps are clean of malware. Now, after you first install it from Google, and by the way, it's no longer in the Play Store, if you even choose to open it, especially if you use any kind of virus protection, you're going to notice immediately a ton of malware engines are going to be set off. Now, here's Virus Total as an example. I also got a warning with Malwarebytes not to install. But look at this. This is way more than the normal. Now, is it possible for there to be false positives? Sure, but I highly doubt every single one of these is a false positive. Even one of the big guns, Kaspersky, is flagging it. So, when you open it, at first glance, the store does have a nice layout, and you can tweak the layout to resemble the Play Store. It has a dark mode as well. But the risk of becoming infected with malware from this app is very high, especially when you're looking for apps and games that are popular. Lots of advertising, risks of identity theft, and many claims of cryptocurrency mining in the background of some of these modded apps. So common sense says it's best to stay far away from it. Having a store with everything for free attracts attention. But not only that, it also calls for bad intentions for those that want to take advantage of you. So my recommendation is to stay away from this app. It's not worth the risk. Well, that's it for today. I told you it was just going to be a quick video. Thanks so much for visiting. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Streamin' Tech Now.